Hi everyone, welcome back to Jessie at Home. Today I am doing a little bit of a different video. I usually do all day whole house clean with me's. Today I am doing an after dark clean with me. I'm going to show you how I get my house cleaned and settled for the night. I always start by bringing in my basket for my Project Blessing Santa's helpers. I always leave a little basket out there for the delivery drivers just to say thanks, but I do bring it in at night because I don't want it to freeze. It is starting to get a little bit cold outside. And then I'm going to move on into my dining room and shut all the blinds so that I can get the dining room ready for us to have some yummy dinner. Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh, and I've had a chance to try HelloFresh, and it's hands down my favorite meal kit delivery service. HelloFresh makes cooking delicious meals at home a reality regardless of your comfort in the kitchen. I am pretty comfortable in the kitchen, so I was excited to try a couple new recipes. As a busy mama of 2 kiddos and running to all the activities and running around doing all the things, it is so nice to have these meals delivered directly to my front door. Nothing to worry about. I have all the ingredients I need individually bagged so that there is little to no waste as far as ingredients goes. That drives me crazy when I have to buy a whole bag of something and then I never use it again. So I love to try out new recipes. I love to play in the kitchen, and this is the perfect meal kit for me. America's #1 meal kit, HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving. Get started with 9 free meals. That's $90 off your first month of HelloFresh, including shipping. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter Jessie at Home 90. HelloFresh is super flexible. You can add extra meals to your weekly order and easily change your delivery days or food preferences and skip a week whenever you need. HelloFresh has more 5-star recipes than any other meal kit, so you know you'll get something delicious. All 4 of us really enjoyed this apricot chicken. It was so good. So if you would like to get started with 9 free meals, that's $90 off your first month of HelloFresh, including shipping. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter Jessie at Home 90. After that delicious dinner, it was time to get this kitchen in order. There is nothing better than waking up to a clean kitchen, so I always try to at least tidy up, get the kitchen totally clean, put the leftovers away. That way I can start fresh in the morning.
For someone to give me help, all I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
It's always important to let your glass top stove cool completely before you put any sort of cleaner or try to scrub it down. That's why sometimes I just leave it overnight and worry about it the next day. But tonight I really wanted to go ahead and scrub my stovetop down. That way, like I said, I could have a fresh start in the morning.
Now I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get up. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new.
I think I've spoken about this before in some of my videos, but when I have a few little dishes to hand wash, it's kind of my like thinking time. I like to like make a list in my head of things I need to do, projects I'm working on, upcoming events, things like that, and sort of organize them in my head as I'm doing dishes. It's kind of like my thinking time.
I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fault. I'm sorry, but we had something real, a bit of you, a bit of me. And I'm swimming through a bitter truth. I don't know how to start over with someone else.
Super happy to have a nice, fresh, clean kitchen to wake up to tomorrow, and we can get it all dirty all over again.
How did you go? Now you're stuck in my head.
Luckily, the living room didn't get hit by the tornado. Usually it's like snacks everywhere. Like when the kids get home, normally after school, it's like snacks and Netflix and homework and all of the chaos. But they have been having activities after school, so the living room really didn't get too much heavy use this day. My son is doing wrestling and my daughter does marching band, which takes them after school for quite a long time. So by the time they get home, it's dinner, it's homework, it's maybe a little bit of screen time, and then it's bedtime, and then wash and repeat. I swear school gets busier as the kids get older. There's little to no downtime. We are go, go, go.
A bit of time, a bit of love. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. How did you go? Now you're stuck in my head. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye.
Hallway upstairs is the drop zone. They always like drop their book bags, like projects, paperwork, anything like that up here as they're going into their rooms. So I just figured I would just tidy it up really quick, give it a little bit of a wipe down so that tomorrow when they come home they can drop more stuff here.
And I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it?
Bedroom isn't too crazy except for the laundry that needs to be done, and then I was also printing out some things for my work. So I need to get that tidied up and make my workspace ready for tomorrow to edit videos and print out things and sign things and all the things. So I'm just gonna go quickly do these a little bit of laundry and get my room tidy.
Oh, this words are echoing inside of me. I don't wanna lead you astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You say, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You say, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
I love having this little basket in the corner to put my throw pillows. That way they actually have a place versus just being thrown on the floor. And Sammy is totally ready for bed. He's like, Mom, quit cleaning, come and snuggle me. But I just have one more room to do. I wanted to tidy up my bathroom. That way in the morning I can start fresh in there as well.
Find your love that don't cut like paper blade. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade?
You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, 'cause you know I cannot say no to you.
You guys decorate for Christmas in your bathroom. I did it for the first time this year and I kind of love the little Christmassy touches. It's not crazy, it's not too much, I don't think. Just a little bit of kind of snowy white Christmas in the bathroom and it just kind of makes me smile.
What do I? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder, how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realized they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this?
I think it's super easy to like daily clean your toilet. It's just 5 minutes out of your day, just scrub it down and it's easier to like maintain if you clean it every day. Do you guys do that? It's kind of part of my habit now of just giving it a quick scrub so that, like I said, in the morning we can start fresh.
I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence.
Thank you so much for choosing my video to get you motivated today. I love hearing that you guys cleaned along with me or what you're going to tackle after watching my video. So definitely leave me a comment below and let me know what you're going to do. I also do all day whole house, like messy house transformation cleaning videos every single Thursday. So if you love those type of long videos, definitely check out my Thursday videos and hit that subscribe button because I love doing extreme cleaning motivation for you guys. And also don't forget about HelloFresh. Get started with 9 free meals. That's $90 off your first month of HelloFresh, including shipping. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter Jessie at Home to try it for yourself.
But I can never stay away from you.